want to learn how to blog and blogging easy. I say that because whenever I first started blogging, I hated it because I would be working on a funnel or something here and then the blog for the funnel, and it's in two separate places. It was a pain in my butt, and oh my gosh, all the plugins and everything. And then I thought I knew SEO. No, it's a pain in my butt. But now DropFunnels makes blogging easy, and even better, it actually makes it fun. You know what? This won't take long. It's that easy. Let's jump in and let me show you. Hey! Okay, this is DropFunnels. Yeah, I get a little excited. I love DropFunnels. I'm not going to go all into it because I have a bunch of videos about DropFunnels, which you need to check out. But we got some color flash. But it is pretty awesome. I mean, I'm personally switching over like my ClickFunnels stuff, and I'm switching over from my blog because I got something here, I got it there, everywhere. This is a marketplace, so I can have it all in one. It's cheaper, it's faster, it's easier. It has all included. The SEO, the tracking. It's all here. It makes my life easier. Anything to make your life easier and save us some money? Yeah. Hey, who am I? My name is Shelly Hopkins, and on this particular channel, we talk about video marketing, we talk about affiliate marketing, and passive income. So if you are into anything like that, do me a favor and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'm telling you, my videos are great. Okay, subscribe. Just do it. Just do it right now. Oh wait. Okay. Anyways, I love DropFunnels, and I wanted to do an individual video on blogging because I'm serious. I hated it, and now I have several blogs because I don't mind it. What I think I like the most is I could be working on a funnel in here and I'll get bored or whatever, and then I'll switch and then I'll work on my blog. So what I'm going to do is minimize me. I'm going to just show you. I also have my old website. I'm going to move one over, and then, which is the same thing, and then create a new one. So it'll basically show you how to do a new one. Let's log in. See, this makes all of this fun. I love to work. I love getting in DropFunnels. It's my favorite part of the day. All right. You know how I said that I love getting in here. I want to see something funny. Now, it's my cat in the background. I will move something over, or create one, and I like it so much that I'm in here, and then I'll get in here, and then I'll get in here. So like everything's not 100%. Like this one's missing tags, and everything's not 100% yet because I'll do something in here, and like, ooh, I needed to go do that in this one, and yeah. So this is all of mine. Okay, all post is all of my blogs, which you get unlimited blogs, and one of the cool things I really like is if you go to terms, policies, any of this, it's built in. You can click on DropFunnels or edit, and I mean, you change your name. He has all of this, and once you change, this is one of my favorite things. Once you change it from one part, change it here, it changes it in all of your blogs. Same as your funnels. I totally love that. And then you publish it. I don't think we saved anything. And same thing like with your footer. You can create your footer. You can add more. I deleted a column here. It was just too crowded at the time. You can do all this, create, and it's saved. See, I hated copying and pasting and copying and pasting, and you don't have to. It's all done. Once you do it, it'll be on your funnels. It'll be on your blogs and everything. Okay. Let me go over to. Actually, let's go back up here to add new. We're gonna do a new one. And see, this is so bleh. Which one do I still have left? This one. All right. I love Legendary Marketer. By the way, if you don't do Legendary Marketer, you should check it out. You should check out that video. And I have a review for DropFunnels too. Also, you should check out my reviews. Check out my the videos, because they also tell all of the bonuses and stuff. They're pretty sweet. See, I just copy. And this is cool too, because a lot of places won't let you. Oh, that's a video. Oh crap, I don't have it pulled up. Okay, I'll just do it real quick. I was thinking I had a picture. Well, cool. I get to show you my YouTube channel. If you hadn't done it already. DropFunnels review. Videos. That's Legendary Marketer. Tell me when you see it. Copy. Paste. So you kind of paste everything. I love it. But even, anyways, if it was a picture, you can just simply copy and paste. Where before, I think I had to save it and then reinsert it, which you can still do that. There's a whole bunch in the media right here. You can save a whole bunch of stuff and do that on some stuff, but just on this blogs, I'm telling you, it makes blogging easy. But don't copy these pictures. I didn't know there's so many pictures. Okay, I think I picked the longest. See all those bonuses? Sorry, I didn't go look at it before I decided to do this. I was trying to do it where you can just actually see me do this naturally. Heck yeah. Okay, see? Copy them and everything. Oh yeah. Okay, where'd it go? Okay, and you're gonna put your tags in. We'll just, for now, we'll say Legendary Marketer ad. The bottom. Okay, this is where I was talking about. It has the built-in SEO. And Google helps Google find it. Suggestions. Sometimes it'll go with that for now. I'm trying to just do just a normal, simple, easy one. Like that. I usually do. I mean, it helps, it tells you, you know, how, let me scroll down. Okay. See, what are, you know, what I really still need that I really should do. And I will, of course, I'll go back, like I said, I would do this, and then I'll go play with something else, and then I will change it. And then publish. Review changes. Tuava. We got a blog. We got SEO built in. We got speed. They're gonna find this fast up on Google. That's it. I don't know why I'm starting. It keeps flashing, but that's pretty much it. And of course, I'm gonna have down below, if you like to check out DropFunnels, there's a 14-day free trial. I am one of the top affiliates for DropFunnels, so I can tell you a lot. If you have any questions, just comment down below. I'll promise I will answer every single one of them. And if you're interested in, I don't want to have to list out all of my bonuses. If you're interested in my bonuses, that is on the review video. And I keep adding. So I think I added another one today. It was today. Adding onto them. So say even if you get it today and then I add some for months from now, I will still continue to give it to you. And the reason why I do that is because this is so awesome that I want everybody to try it. So I try to insinuate, hey, try to help everybody at least just try it out and see what you think. It's everything in one. You don't have all of the headache, and by not having all of the headache, it makes it actually pretty fun. Anyways, do me a favor, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Of course, I'm going to ask you to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any of this face. I love you, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks. Oh, hey, before I forget, also down below, I have a free affiliate marketing ebook that is phenomenal. You really should check it out. It's free. Why not? Okay, bye.